1 and 2 main bearings. That's the 3rd, 4th, 5th. These are the rod bearings. They got some defects, but they're not motor blown bad. Got my bitch all apart. We found the problem finally. Piston ring swelled right up on me from the boost and running lean. The pistons are no gap in the rings. Just noticed this. Got the crank out. Look at the cam bearings. The cam hasn't been touched yet. I just took the chain off. 2 of the bearings are halfway out the block. Yeah, as I pulled the cam out, this one came out. Look at the damage done from it from not being where it belongs. That's fucking crazy. Bone bare ass naked motor block now. Not even cam bearings in it anymore. Try to make it look nice again. Got the cam bearings all in, nice and new. The rings all on the pistons. Got to go pick up the main bearings at Napa. These are supposed to be brand new rod bearings I waited fucking 4 days for. Get to the last one. Look at the fucking dig in that. I'm supposed to put that in my fucking rebuilt motor. Whoa. We got a long block now. It's got heads and rockers on it.
Good thing I got a long cock. Should I reenact your...
Got me a coffee and a Monster for later. A few more parts to paint. Hopefully getting this thing together and in the car tonight. Motor's all back together. A couple small things to do when I get it off the stand. Put the flex plate on. But about ready to go back in. Well, I was gonna set motor and tranny in together, but they sent me the fucking wrong rear main seal. Boy, I can't get any luck with parts these days. Made some progress. The blower, the pulleys on, belts on. I'll wait till tomorrow to get the seal, put the transmission in, button it up. Hopefully be running tomorrow. Well, it's all done. I just had it running, but it needs a better tune. It's spitting and sputtering, so gotta wait for my buddy to come down and help me get it tuned, or I'm gonna mess with it tomorrow and tuning it. But she's all back together. Running like shit. I don't know if you can hear it, but fucking popping.